Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jamie, Ph.D., founder of Oasis Healing Arts. Today I'm going to talk about carbs. So a common question I get from my patients is, are all carbs bad? The basic premise of this question reveals a common misunderstanding about carbs. So carbohydrates are one of three macronutrients, the other two being proteins and fats. Carbs are an umbrella term for sugars, starches, and dietary fibers. The types of carbs we want to reduce or eliminate are the sugary sweets, like fruit juices, sodas, cookies, and ice cream. That's pretty obvious. But also, as most people know, we want to eliminate the processed starchy carbs, like cereals, breads, chips, tortillas, pizzas, pastas, noodles, etc. These carbs are highly processed from industrial corn and wheat, so they've been very altered from their original natural state, and consequently, they've been stripped of their vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and fiber content. So one of the biggest problems with processed carbs is that they raise your blood sugar quickly and intensely because carbs, by definition, are sugars. They're a string of sugar molecules. So that's why we call processed carbs hidden sugars. Also, these carbs have little to no fiber, protein, or fat to slow down their absorption into your bloodstream. So you get a quick and sharp glucose spike followed by an insulin spike. This is what leads to the fat gain, inflammation, hormone imbalance, arterial plaquing, and metabolic conditions like diabetes, commonly associated with sugars and carbs. Okay, so sugars and processed carbs are the bad carbs. So is there such a thing as good carbs? Yes, there is. They're called dietary fibers. They're found in whole plant foods that are typically brightly pigmented, which means they're teeming with phytonutrients, plant nutrients, along with lots of fiber that impact our health in countless ways. These phytonutrients and fiber influence gene expression. They inform our cells how to function, grow, and repair. They help cleanse and detoxify our organ systems. They support brain and gut health. They balance our hormones, optimize our immune function, promote healthy digestion, and support healthy weight. So back to the question, are all carbs bad for you? No. You can eat lots of carbs in the form of leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, sulfur-rich alliums like onions and garlic, brightly colored fruits like blueberries, raspberries, and kiwi, seeds like flax, pumpkin, and chia seeds, beans, especially black beans, kidney beans, and lentils. They're very high in fiber. And nuts like pistachios, hazelnuts, and almonds. There's just so much variety. So use these good carbs to replace your refined carbs and plain grains like rice, pasta, breads, and certainly your pastries. You want to redefine what your plate looks like. For your lunches and dinners, fibrous vegetables and leafy greens should take up 60 to 70% of the real estate on your plate. There should be a beautiful mountain of vegetables. Aim for 6 to 8 cups per day. If you have autoimmune disease, shoot for 9 cups of vegetables and fruits a day. Have them as snacks, in smoothies, salads, soups, stews, steamed, stir-fried, sautéed, or roasted. Every meal should have vegetables and colorful fruits dominating your plate. Now listen, if you replace all your sugary and refined carbs with carbs from fiber-rich plants, you will quickly see your inflammation drop, your weight drop, your hormones rebalance, your brain fog lift, your mood stabilize, your digestion and elimination regulate, your energy increase, and your risk for disease plummet. This is not just my opinion or perspective. This is scientific fact. This is clinical nutrition and epigenetics and a fundamental tenet of a healthy, vibrant life. It's also a return to basic human biology and how God designed our bodies to thrive, eating the plants of the earth. So, cut out your sugars and processed carbs and eat your vegetables.